Hey guys, in this video we will be unboxing the fast charging power bank from UGREEN. This is called Nexode and it's a 130 watt output power bank, and the milliamp hours on this one is 20,000, so it's flight approved at least. Still, they might change that. There's some discussions going on about banning power banks on flights. This one has PD 3.0 output up to 100 watts max, so you should be fine charging multiple different laptops which have USB-C charging. Here you can see the outputs in the back. Won't go through those. Packaging inside the sleeve is quite simple, but still a quite satisfying unboxing experience, and it does feel like a quality product. Even though the price is very low, here you can see I paid 59.99 plus 10 euros shipping for it. Locally in Finland this costs 120 euros, so I think I'm getting a pretty good deal. But yeah, you can get 20,000 milliamp hour power banks for a lot less as well, so you could argue that it's not that good value. But this one has a screen, and I think you can even see the charging output. It does have an accessory box, so it has kind of this small pouch where you can put the power bank in, and it does have one UGREEN USB-C cable, which is nice. It's a help guide, user instruction, and some other papers leaflet. The power bank itself is quite chunky and feels quite large, but I think it's kind of a nice shape. You can just put it on the table like this, and then you can plug in your cable, so you can have 3 cables plugged in at the same time. So you have 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A, and there you see the total output. And you have a button which says more than power. If you press on the button, it will show you the charging state. It's at 43% when shipped, at least this one. I just plugged in my AirPods in the power bank, and we can see that it's in the C1 output and charging at 0.4 watts, so consuming really little power, but I guess the AirPods are quite at a quite high charge level. Next, I plugged in my Apple iPad, and I can see that it started to charge at 13 or 11 watts. So now it's kind of jumping a bit around. It's going a bit higher. So I think this is a really nice feature that you can actually see the output. So if you have like a mobile phone or something like that, then you can check what the charging output actually is. Okay, the screen looks a bit better when I just remove that cover on the device. Now it's charging at 19.2 watts. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. The links are down below in the description if you want to use those.